What's good, guys? What's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you aren't new, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And make sure y'all follow me on my social media, bro. A lot of y'all been hitting me up, and because of that, y'all are getting this video. A lot of y'all have expressed concern, and I just want to show y'all how to hang up the vinyl that's behind us. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. No need to waste y'all's time, so let's get it. All right, guys, so I didn't buy one. Oh, first off, let me say this. I don't have my face in the camera view because my face is not the main focus. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I do this. So when you buy it, I'm gonna link it down below for people who's never watched my channel before and you're interested in this. So it's gonna come in something like this. It's gonna have packaging, obviously. You're just gonna rip that off. And it has this little screwing mechanism. So the back is how you unscrew. I don't know if it's gonna be on the front side or whatever, but it comes all the way off. So you can flip it if you want. I usually have it on the back side. So you're gonna wanna get it loose enough for you to change how big you want it, right? So what I usually, and I also have both of these right here. This is what we're gonna put up here, or this is what I use. All right, so we're gonna get it big enough to where it fits the LP. And doesn't have to be, the screw doesn't have to be down here, it doesn't have to be up here. It just has to be tight so that when it's on the wall, it doesn't shift. So I just like making sure it fits, and you guys can see, obviously, has too much space, right? So we're gonna scoot it down a little bit until we find it. Or you can do this. It's literally like, it's kind of here. All right, so you can keep it like that, slide this out gently so it doesn't move. I might even, after you do that, just tighten it up just a little bit, and we're gonna screw it. And we check. So you see how you tightened it up just a little bit? It fits perfectly in there now, snug. All right, so like this, right? It's perfect. Now what you're gonna wanna do is, before you put it on the wall, this is how I put the screws in. So the the thumbtack, you can even have the longer ones. I'll put a picture up on the screen right now, like the standard thumbtack. I don't know if these are standard, but this is just what I had. So you're gonna wanna put it at the very top, right? And you put it on the wall. And actually, I'm gonna pause the clip, guys, and I'm gonna put it on the wall in a different spot in my room. All right, guys, so we're gonna grab the thumbtack, all right, this weird looking one. And what I'm gonna do is, on the wall here, obviously, I've already had this up here, so I'm just gonna find the hole that it was already in, right? So like, what I like to do is, like I told you, I like to start at the top and make sure it's all the way up. So let me find the hole. I believe the hole is like right here. Sorry, I kind of push it up high. I don't know. That's gonna happen a lot, guys. I always drop these. Now I can't find it. Anyways, we're gonna use this one. Y'all get the gist, man. But just be prepared for it to drop a lot. Especially if you have like a certain system like I do, like it's gonna drop because you want it to be perfect. But let me make sure this is the hole, especially this is at the top, so it looks kind of weird. All right, that's the hole. I would not recommend getting these, I'm not gonna lie, because once you get it into the wall, it's really hard to take these out, whereas the long ones, which I already showed you on the screen, you could just pull it. These are way harder, so tip of the day, do not get these. So like I'm doing here, putting it all the way up at the top, and you're gonna press down as hard as you can there to make it sturdy as possible, right? Now, y'all can see the hole right here, right? Obviously, I've already had these holes in here, but you see how it's like perfectly aligned right there? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the thumbtack that I just, here, you take this back. I'm gonna find the thumbtack that I dropped, and I'm gonna get back with y'all and we'll finish this up. All right, guys, so found this one, and we're gonna put, when you put the bottom one down, right, you wanna pull down, here, make sure this is tight. You wanna pull down a little bit to like create tension. And this is the hard part. Hold on, like I said, I would not recommend these thumbtacks, but once you have it in there, sometimes it moves, but it's all right because once you put the vinyl in, it's not gonna move by itself, obviously. But you just want to make sure that they're both nice and sturdy into the wall, okay? And this is also good if you have an apartment, because I know a lot of people in an apartment can't screw and stuff. So this is a nice way to display your vinyls, your vinyl, without screwing stuff into the wall. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna slide it in. Obviously I'm close to one side, but it's gonna be a tight snug, and you want it to be tight. You don't want it to be loose, because if it's loose, right? And this one does something I hate. I hate when they close like this, or when they open like that. But nonetheless, you see how it's like moving a little bit? That's fine, because when it's like that, it's perfect. But if you make it too loose, right? And let's say you have a heavier vinyl, like, I don't know, let's say this Sizzle one was very heavy. You're gonna get the little tilt, right? And you're gonna wanna find like the middle ground. So when it's nice and snug, it's easy to stay. But if it's loose, you're gonna be trying to figure it out. But yep, that's how you do it. Get it right, nice in the middle. All right, guys, so there's the video, man. The link for this product will be down below. I don't get paid off the link, but I think you can buy one for $7 and like up to a 6-pack. So if you're thinking about putting a lot of vinyl on your wall, I'd recommend the 6-pack. I think it's actually cheaper if you buy in bulk. But anyways, a lot of you guys had problems with this, so hopefully this video was helpful. And just leave any concerns, or if you're having trouble putting it on your wall, then leave a comment down below. Follow me on my social media, and you can also ask me the question there. And yeah, I think that's about it. You guys have a good one. I'm out, bro.